Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you a simple embroidery, hand embroidery pattern. For that I am using the simple two colors, two sets of thread. So first one is a green one for the stem and the leaves. For it's an anchor embroidery thread and its number code is 0889. And the second one is a multicolored embroidery thread or in the anchor brand, its number is 1335. So first we'll start the embroidery using the stem stitch. For the stem stitch I am using the green one. 0889 is the number, so we can see the in detail. Next we'll go to the leaves. For that I am using the thread 0889 and it's in a 6 strands of thread. So here I am using the fly stitch. For doing the fly stitch, first we should prick the fabric from downside to upside, go do a straight line at the center, come down, then it should go to the right side of the straight stitch, a little down and go upside, and then go to the left side of the straight stitch and should come down, come back, and it should go at the center, go down and secure it. The same thing, same stitch we should repeat, and we should fill the leaves. Next we'll do the flower embroidery. For that I am using this multicolored thread, anchor thread 1335, and it's in with the different colors: green, fluorescent green, pink, lavender, yellow. Every colors will be there. It's a multicolored embroidery thread that here I am using. Next we'll go to the flower pattern. So we are drawing the flower points, maybe using the scale with the same distance from the center stem, one dot from above the stem, and right and left side we are putting each small dots for marking of the flower. Using the scale and heat erasable pen, I am marking two sides of the stem with a 0.5 centimeter distance. Next we'll make the petals. For that I am using the multicolored thread from picked from the down part of the fabric, go upside, keep a toothpick over the mark point, and overlapping that the embroidery thread should pass, so should make it a small petal. So like the same same step we will use for the other petals also. We'll keep the toothpick around the toothpick, we are doing the thread, passing the thread. uh, After finishing the petals, we should remove this toothpick one by one. See, here I am using the same green thread. I am connecting the first petals. It should come down, and from down we should take it upside, go to the first two petals together, and we should keep it tight, and it should secure, go down and secure it. Then move a little bit front, should go to the two petals together, keep it tight. If we are keeping it tight only, we will get the petal shaped threads. So we should repeat the same procedure. We should pass through the thread between the petals and should tight it and keep it down and secure it. Like that we should complete the full bunch of petals. If you like the video, please give me a like, share, comment, and please subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestion, please put it down as a comment. I will try to improve my best. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.